Hey, it's James here from HEB. We're going to show you how to install your 20x4 tire with your new tubes. You're also going to need some tire levers and a pump. Today we're going to install them on the one-piece aluminum mag wheel, becoming very popular. So the first thing to do when you get your tires all kind of flat, just fluff it up a little bit. These tires are directional. It's on this side here by the size. It says rotation in that direction. And a little cheat, the yellow goes on the right side. So flip this over. I'd like to install half of the tire first. Just go around and push it over the edge. And you have your 20x4 tube. I like to put a little bit of air in there, just give it some shape. And you can use a regular pump. I just happen to have an electric pump. And then lift the tire back up. Put your tube inside. So it comes out, put your valve cap on, keep it from sliding through. Put your tube all the way in, make sure it's not going to get pinched. I like to start from here and work my way around. Once you get to this point, it's going to get a little tight. Get your tire lever, you only just need one. Put your thumb over here to keep it from coming undone. Work your way around. Now take a second and get this even, the reveal of the tire all the way around. And start to inflate. Only inflate until it takes shape and then check the other side. Over here you can see we have a little bit of a high spot and a low spot. And this can cause a wobble when you're riding, and an uneven bump in the tire. So, get this better. And so here we can, with the tire where it's low, I take my palm and put and squeeze and pull the tire away and allow the bead to even out. There we go. And finish inflating. And the tire can be inflated from 5 to 30 psi, and it's written on this side, just around from the logo. And then you can inflate to your desired pressure, and then put your valve cap back on.